landfill na pagtatapunan ng mga basura. Kasi sabi mo
thank
sa
you for
Mateo
asking.
LGU, dito sila na-coordinate or dito po nila alam ito?
No, that's not true with Chairman Artes. No. I really doubt it. Okay. I, for one, not because nandito si Chairman. We were informed. To state the record straight, everyone was informed by MMDA. Way ahead. Ako, testigong buhay. I can attest to what the Chairman Artes did. When I assume, July 1, sinabihan na ako ni Chairman Artes, pare, mukhang matutuluyan ng isara ang Nabotas landfill. Ganun ba? Hindi na talaga ma-extend. Anong ginawa namin? Naggayak kami. In fact, nagpunta pa kami sa iba't ibang bahagi ng probinsya looking for our fallback kung saan kami para maging patuloy na malinis ang Maynila. Then, due to lack of material time, kasi 2 buwan pa lang ako mayor, so we created in 2 weeks time our own small transfer station. Ito, without disclosing the area, para lang bumigat naman yung kaya naman nandito na ayoko naman pasinungalingan siya na hindi kami sinabihan. Ayan without disclosing, a few weeks ago naghahanap pa kami ng lilipatan. Ayan. Hindi lang namin sasabihin sa inyo kung saan. But it's been so this is a proof na may nahanap kaming landfill. Kasi wala naman choice but to start ayan kami. Ito yung plan B namin. Kasi katulad yung tinatanong mo, kung mabulunan na rin yung San Mateo. This is a never-ending story.
Yung San Mateo landfill naman, operational na yan since 2011. So, may ECC yan, approve yan ng DNR, ng provincial government. Additional volume lang naman ang aming dinala. Kumbaga, regular naman nagtatapon dyan ng Metro Manila. At additional volume lang yung sa Manila. But again, nakipag-usap ko kahapon sa phone kay Mayor Omi. At kasundo kami na pupuntahan ko siya at mag-uusap kami regarding this. But again, it's within the capacity po noong San Mateo landfill, yung additional volume po na dadali namin doon. But mag-uusap din po kami, pupunta rin po kay Governor Inares para po mapag-usapan din na yung division, kasi meron pang mas malaki na landfill dyan, yung Rizal sanitary landfill. So just a matter of siguro communications, dahil hindi lang siguro namin na sabi agad kay Mayor Ome na may additional volume na dadalhin doon sa San Mateo landfill. Pero again, it is within doon sa ECC at doon sa volume na capacity allowed under the law. So on the part naman ng MMDA, we're exploring din other options kasi merong ang dalawang nag-a-apply for accreditation, including yung binisit ni Yorme. Siyempre, we just have to comply with the requirements. Dalawa po yung nag-a-apply, and we also receive a PPP proposal for a waste to energy. So lahat po yan i-consider and we're planning ahead. Again, sabi nga po ni Yorme, hindi po ito biglaan, hindi po nabulaga, wala pong nabulaga. Lahat po ito ay properly coordinated sa mga affected LGUs. So rest assured na wala pong magiging solid waste crisis sa Metro Manila with the closure po ng Nabotas Sanitary Landfill.